Open the glove box. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Remove the glove box assembly. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.